Quick thaw, a warm approach to learning English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a phrase that's quite handy in the kitchen and beyond. Quick thaw. Whether you're reading a recipe or just trying to understand daily conversations, this term is super useful. So, let's melt away the confusion and understand what quick thaw really means. Before we dive into the whole phrase, let's first look at the word quick. Quick means fast or speedy. It's something that happens in a short amount of time. We use it every day in phrases like quick response, quick fix, or quick decision. Remember, when quick is used before another word, it describes how fast that action or thing is. Moving on to thaw. To thaw something means to let it warm up after it has been frozen so that it becomes soft or liquid again. It's like when ice turns into water as it warms up. Thawing is important because we often freeze food to preserve it, and then we need to thaw it before we can cook or eat it. Now, let's put both words together. Quick thaw refers to speeding up the thawing process. This can be done in several ways, like using a microwave, placing food in cold water, or leaving it out on the counter for a while. But be careful, it's essential to quick thaw food safely to prevent any growth of harmful bacteria. You can use quick thaw in various situations. If you're explaining how you prepared dinner in a rush, you might say, "I used a quick thaw method for the chicken." It's also common to see on packaging or in recipes as an instruction. Here are some example sentences. To make the smoothie, you'll need to quick thaw the berries for 10 minutes. If you forget to take the steak out of the freezer, don't worry, just quick thaw it under warm water. Remember, quick thaw is a practical phrase that combines two words to describe a process that's useful in everyday life, not just for cooking. Learning phrases like quick thaw is a great way to sound more natural in English. Here are a few tips to integrate them into your vocabulary. 1. Listen to how native speakers use the phrase in context. 2. Practice making sentences with it, relating it to your daily activities. 3. Use it when you write down recipes or instructions in English to get familiar with its usage. That's a wrap on our quick thaw lesson. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more comfortable with this handy phrase. Remember, learning English can be as easy as letting ice cream melt in the sun. Just take it one phrase at a time. See you in our next video, and until then, keep practicing.